This is the DJI Mavic 2 shoulder bag, and this is the clips where you put the shoulder strap on. You can use it as a hand carry as well. I usually use it like that, so that's why I don't have the strap on. But then you have the zip here at the compartment. You could put like a cleaning cloth in there, you know, UV filter or something like that, or even your ID when you're out and about and you just want to put your stuff, personal belongings in there. So it's got this Velcro clip, so it's easy to detach, but it's also secure at the same time. It's not going anywhere, so you don't have to worry about that. And then you have this front compartment. It's pretty much waterproof, because if you look at the zipper, the lining overlaps, so it's pretty waterproof, that. And then you have the spare blades that you can put in the front, and other things. You can put whatever you want in there. I'm just showing you what you could put in there, and the zipper. So we'll just close that again. So because it overlaps, there we go. And then we're going to show you the main compartment here. So just open this up, and as you can see, the drone sits in there. Nice little compartment. And then you have the spare battery, and then the controller. So, and then you can have little to the back, so you can put some more propellers, spare blades, or anything you want. Yeah, little handy bag, nice and lightweight, easy to travel with, and it's not bulky. That's the thing you want when you're traveling with a drone. You don't want any bulkiness, and it's quite light actually. Like, it's not even that heavy. I feel like it's a really light bag, so won't add to the weight too much. But good quality bag for the Mavic 2.